Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm sharing with you my evening routine. While my routine varies night to night, this is pretty much what I do on an every night basis to get ready for bed. I want to thank Korres for sponsoring a portion of this video and supporting my channel. I've been a longtime fan of the brand and I'm really excited to be working with them. They formulate their products without mineral oils, paraffin waxes, and silicones and parabens, which are some of the things I try to avoid in my skincare and beauty products. They are also eco-friendly and cruelty-free. I'm excited to share with you one of their new launches, the Pomegranate AHAs and Enzyme Resurfacing Mask, now available at Sephora, JCPenney stores. On most nights, I end my day with a workout at the gym. So before I head upstairs, I like to put my headphones back and my keys back so I know where they are when I come back for them. And I actually like to clean the kitchen and make sure everything's put away downstairs. I just sleep better at night knowing everything will be clean and ready for me in the morning. Now that the kitchen is clean, I take my supplements. I'm currently taking apple cider vinegar pills. You can take apple cider vinegar direct, but I hate the way it tastes. I'm taking my multivitamin gummies, and then I'm taking a 1 to 2 ounce shot of the Ningxia Red, which is full of antioxidants from wolfberries. I like to catch up on Insta stories during this time, and then I head upstairs to my bathroom, and before I jump in the shower, I like to remove any residual makeup and sweat with either a cleansing water or facial wipe. Today I'm using the Korres Pomegranate Cleansing and Makeup Removing Wipes. I love the way they smell, and it's perfect after a workout because it helps remove some of the excess sebum. I also love that there are no harsh alcohols or chemicals that can strip or over dry out my skin, but it does give me a nice little clean after a workout. Next, I'm going to hop in the shower, and since today is a deep cleansing hair wash day, I'm going to use a detoxifying deep cleansing shampoo and then add in a hair mask. While I leave my hair mask in my hair, I'm going to wash my body with a cleansing gel, or a body wash essentially. And I have a couple that I picked from today. I'm using one from Korres. It smells really fresh and I like it. I think it's a guava scent. And then I'm going to wash my face with a cream cleanser. I've been really into cream cleansers lately because I've been focusing on doing mini massages for myself, especially at night. This really helps relieve any tension, especially my jaw area. And I've noticed that it has also helped clear my skin because I'm actually taking the time to properly cleanse my skin, and it just feels really, really lovely. My skin has felt better overall just by giving this extra little 5-minute massage in the shower at night. After I get out of the shower, I like to do a quick skincare treatment. Tonight, I'm using the Korres Pomegranate AHAs and Enzyme Resurfacing Mask, new and now available at Sephora JCPenney stores. This mask smells incredible. I wish there was smell-o-vision. I'm really particular in my products having fragrance, but this smells like pomegranate and natural and not overly fragranted whatsoever. This face mask is a triple power resurfacing mask that purifies the skin while minimizing the appearance of my pores. Pomegranate grains physically exfoliate my skin, glycolic acid and enzymes peel away any dead skin cells. This mask really does do a great job at using physical, chemical, and enzyme exfoliation. The mask also uses white clay and white willow bark extract, which is rich in salicylic acid that helps remove excess sebum and also refine the pores. The mask is also full of good ingredients like pomegranate extract, full of antioxidant protection, astringent properties, and the ability to strengthen skin and tighten your pores. Pomegranate enzymes exfoliate the epidermis and help skin appear refreshed and healthy. Plus, the pomegranate grains made by the pomegranate seeds provide mechanical exfoliation. So after about 3 minutes, I rinse away the mask and go in with a facial oil and an eye balm. also use a lash conditioner and brow conditioner, and I'm going to brush my teeth, floss my teeth, and apply a little bit of lip balm. I made my own scar treatment oil, and I've been testing it out to hopefully diminish some of the scars on my legs, so I'll update you guys on that, but I do this about 2-3 times a day. Then I'm going to head into the bedroom. I'll light my candle, which helps me relax, and I really love the scent because it just really forces me to unplug and de-stress. And then I like to turn on my humidifier. I always sleep with a humidifier every night, and then I'm going to spray my pillow and my sheets with a deep sleep spray. I'm gonna hop into bed and turn my phone onto airplane mode. I like to go to bed undisturbed, and of course Hubs always has his phone. I've been using Thieves oils on the bottoms of my feet to kind of stay healthy and avoid the flu, so that's been working for me. And I know this isn't the greatest thing, but I fall asleep watching my iPad. So tonight I'm actually watching Netflix. Currently I'm watching Altered Carbon. I will either do that or watch YouTube videos, and I drift off to sleep. Chris will usually come to bed after me, and he'll blow out the candles and turn out the lights for me. So that's my evening routine. I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, I hope my videos helped you unwind, de-stress, and take your mind off of whatever it was you needed help taking your mind off of. Don't forget to subscribe and check back every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sundays for new videos, plus bonus uploads throughout the week. Until next time, I'll see you guys right back here on my channel. Good night.